bucket time!
Hooray! Look! Today is the 7th of December, the number 7. The 7th of December. But, I wonder what's in my bucket today. There's only one way to find out. Come on, let's go and take a look together. Hooray! Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Today my bucket has the number 7. The number 7 on it. But I wonder what's inside. Should we take a look? Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Wow! Today's object begins with the letter B. The letter B. And that makes the B sound. B. Can you make that sound? Wow, that's brilliant. Yes. B. They're bright and shiny and you can hear them on Santa's sleigh. Oh, look. It's a bell. A bell. But not just any bell. This is a jingle bell. A jingle bell? I know a song about jingle bells. Do you? Exciting! Come on, let's go and sing it together. Jingle bells, here we come.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, 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 bells on bobtail ring, making spirits fly. What fun it is to ride and sing on a sleigh home tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Can you remember what today's number is? Yes, look, it's the number 7. The number 7. 7 little angels. Are you ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look. 7 Christmas cookies. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Christmas cookies. Wow! Fantastic counting, guys. Really good. Today's number is the number 7. The number 7. Hooray!
Oh, look! A bell, a snowflake, a bell, a snowflake, a bell, but what comes next? Yes, it's a snowflake. Fantastic! Ooh, how many shiny bells do you think there are? How many? Yes, that's right. There are 7 shiny bells. A present, a mince pie, a present, a mince pie, a present, and what can come next? Yay! It's a mince pie. Delicious. How many mince pies can you see? How many are there? Yes, that's right. There are 3. 3 mince pies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Woohoo! We did it! We were fantastic.
Look, today's letter is the letter B. The letter B, and that makes the B sound. B. Look, B is for boots. Boots. I think they might be Santa's boots. Boots. Oh, look over there. It's Santa's belly. B is for belly. Santa's belly. Oh, look. B is also for bells. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. B is for bells. B makes the B sound. B. Well done, guys. That was fantastic. Wow, you guys are really good at singing Jingle Bells. But now it's time to put the bell back in the bucket where it belongs. In it goes. All put away and ready for another day. But what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow? With me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye!
Remember, you're fantastic.